Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam and today we are talking about the biggest problem in dropshipping business, and that is the long shipping periods. Generally, these orders are shipped from China and it takes about 15 to 45 days to reach the customer, which is a big turn down, but not anymore. Now there are several services like Sellvia that offers local dropshipping. The warehouse is located locally in the US, so it takes only 1 to 3 days to reach the order to the customer. Now, if you don't know about Alidropship, it is a service which provides dropshipping solutions. They have a WordPress plugin which allows you to import products from AliExpress and sell it on your own dropshipping store. They also offer complete custom dropshipping store where you don't have to do much. They will build a profitable custom dropshipping store with ads, design, and much more. All you have to do is file the survey and talk to the manager. That's it. Go check it out in the description. So recently they launched this new product called Sellvia. What this service offers is that you get profitable and hot selling products which are available in their Irvine, California warehouse. So they have handpicked products which are known to be profitable, and with the help of Sellvia, we can import those and sell them on our store. Now, as the warehouse is located in the US, we can offer 1 to 3 days of delivery across the United States, which is awesome. This wasn't possible before, and great thing is that as they have all the data of what products sell on AliExpress, they only have those products in the Sellvia. So we can expect good amount of sales from these products. Now let's also take a look at their website. So here you can see that they offer 14 days of free trial. Also, if you want to find this, I will put my affiliate link in the description. This way you can support the channel free of cost. And I also keep those links updated with the latest discount coupon, so go check it out. Now we will discuss about pricing in a bit, but for now, as you can see that they offer 1 to 3 days of shipping, prices lower than AliExpress, which is cool, only winning products and free to join. Now if we scroll down, we can see more features. That is, all items are in the warehouse and takes about 24 hours to ship. Tracking number is also available so the customer and us can track the order. Better description. Other features are a bit meh, so we don't need to look at those. But one advantage we get here is that the product packaging is better than AliExpress, as it only has to travel like within the US, whereas orders from AliExpress generally get few dents on the packaging, so this looks more presentable. Now, how do we use this? So once you have your WordPress store up and running with WooCommerce, you can install their plugin and start importing the products. Now, if you are new to all this WordPress and hosting stuff, then you can also get a custom store from them with all the products already imported. There are multiple packages to choose from. Like here you can see that the basic package is $39 per month, where you will get the plugin and rest of the things you have to figure out, like WordPress and all. Second is the Sellvia Pro plan, which offers complete store built by them. So you just need to fill a survey and they will build the store for you with all the products imported and ready to sell. So for that, it's $399 per year. So that's it from my side. That was the Alidropship Sellvia. Go check it out. Hope you guys found this video helpful, and if it was, please leave a like on this video and make sure to try the Sellvia for 14 days of free trial. Link is in the description. That's it for today. Like, share, subscribe. Stay safe. Bye bye.